What's going on YouTube? Charlie Eugene back with another video. Today I want to show you guys what you can do with your Intel graphics chip that you have. Now must be either Intel Iris EX, Intel Iris, Intel UHD. I'm not sure about the older Intel graphics chips. If you have like a Intel HD 4000, it might not work. You can try it, but it might not work. All right. But the first thing you should do to identify which graphics chipset you have is launch your File Explorer. All right. I should be using a mouse because this touchpad is very sensitive, but you guys will get with the point when I'm finished. All right. Now on this PC right here, right click on it, show more options. This is for people that have Windows 11. All right. Show more options and then manage. Once you go to manage, select device manager. See, this trackpad is just very sensitive. I gotta scale back the settings on this trackpad. All right, now once you're in device manager, you should select display adapters. Hit the little arrow next to the display adapters, click on that, and it shows you which graphics chip you have. All right, so this one has the Intel Iris Xe graphics. So I can install the software, which I've already did, but I'm showing you guys how to see what graphics chip you have. All right, so if you have this or you have the UHD graphics, you should be good to go. So now you can close out on this. All right, then the next thing you should do is launch your browser, whatever browser you're using. This is Edge, and then type intel.com, click on that. And then now you want to select support. Okay, this trackpad, I'm telling you guys. Now the next one you should do is auto update your drivers. It just makes it a lot easier. All right, now it's going to ask you I've already did it, so it went right to the page, but it's going to ask you to install Support Assistant. You want to say yes to that. And once you install Support Assistant, you're going to see where you can update drivers. It might update some different drivers, right? As you can see, mine grabbed the new wireless drivers, it grabbed the new Wi-Fi drivers, but this is the software that I wanted you guys to see. If you see Intel Arc and Iris graphics Windows, install that. All right, you might have different stuff, but whatever you see this updated, go ahead and update your drivers, because this is coming down from Intel. All right, Microsoft Windows updates might not pull this stuff down. It's definitely not going to pull down the ARC software here. All right, so I've already did all this. That's why my stuff is already good to go. All right, so download it. And then once you finish downloading it, let me close this out. Now when you go to your taskbar, you'll see this ARC control. Now what you can do with this ARC control is cool. This is why I'm making this video. Now you can go down to camera. This is where you can set your camera up. So right now I'm using an external webcam, but if I wanted to use my integrated webcam, but my integrated webcam is only 720, so I'm going to keep it on USB video device, which is my external webcam, and I'm going to change it to the highest resolution, which is 1080 on this webcam. All right, change it to that. And then effects, this is what's cool right here. Effects is where you can do remove background replacement, background blur, lighting adjustment, style transfer. So for me, I'm going to do background replacement. And then you can set the performance mode to quality or performance. Since this machine isn't the strongest, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at performance, because this machine only has 8 gigs. And then this is where you can select a background image. All right, I don't have anything right now. Did it do something? Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, there we go. So I'll just select XE wallpapers. I don't know what this is, but let's open that. Will it let me open it? Okay, there it is. So there it is. This trackpad, guys. Let's use this trackpad. So now to see what it looks like, you just enable the camera. Turn that on, then to preview it, turn that on, and you'll see me. There I am. All right, so I got this Intel, half my head is out because I got my microphone. Let me move my microphone up a little bit. That might be causing this problem. All right, so there we go. My mic's out the way. So now you can put whatever picture you want back there. So if you want to do video reviews on YouTube, you can put whatever thing in the back, whatever picture you want in the background. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now, what makes it super dope is, let me minimize this. I'm gonna minimize my face so you guys don't got to see me anymore. Now, if you use OBS Studio, what you can do is set your OBS Studio up. 1 second. This machine's slow, guys. I'm sorry. This machine is slow. There we go. Slow machine. Alright, so with OBS Studio, I'm going to optimize this just for recording. Next. Apply settings and close this out here. Now, what you can do with this is, let me maximize this so I can see. So when you start adding your sources, you can add display capture. Let's do video capture device first. So now you can change this to whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it at video capture device. This is just a test. But you can say okay, and now it should come up. Let's see. So matter of fact, you have to select Intel Virtual Camera. Okay, so once you select Intel Virtual Camera, I should be popping up shortly here. There I go. There you go. All right. So now you can do your reviews. You know, you can minimize this. Well, not minimize it, but shrink it down a little bit, move it to the side, and then have your video playing up there, whatever. All right. I haven't finished my sources, but I just wanted to show you what this software can do. But you have to run both of these softwares at the same time. Do not close out on the ARC control. If you do that, it's going to crash your OBS Studio. They both have to run at the same time. All right, so just be mindful of that. But that's pretty much all I want to show you. So you can do a whole bunch with this software, with the Intel graphics that you have. All right, you see how I'm froze on the software because now OBS has took over the responsibility, right? So there you go. All right, so I'm gonna close this out. Just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. Like I said, it only works with Intel Iris and Intel UHD. If you have an older graphics Intel chip in there, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but you can go ahead and try it, but I don't think it works. All right, but anyway, this is Charlie Eugene. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to use how to download the ARC software and use it in OBS Studio. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. You guys get the point. Like I said, Microsoft is not going to download those drivers for you. You have to go to Intel to get those. I had to figure that out the hard way. All right. Anyway, man, if you got any comments or any questions about what this process, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the new year. I'm getting there, man. Thank you guys for watching my channel. This is Charlie Eugene out. Peace.